Here you go, guys. This is just a quick one. We've just replaced the wheel and it absolutely looks absolutely fine, beautiful, sexy wheel. It's more of a premium feel than the GT wheel which you get with the DD Pro, and it does feel really nice and it looks absolutely sexy. So we'll be F1 tonight, F1 2021 on PC. So it'd be great if you guys can come and have a watch and support the channel and smash that like. Even subscribe would be amazing for the new adventure I'm having on sim racing, which I'm absolutely really enjoying myself. And thank you so much from all of you guys who've come over and subscribed and hit that thumbs up for me. That's been absolutely awesome, guys. What a lovely community you are. It's a new adventure for me. It's fantastic, and hopefully we'll see you tonight. Just getting things ready now. I have to, I think, update this wheel on my PC, so that's what I'm going to do now. And hopefully see you guys tonight, and God bless and catch you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.